Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance So Many Incredible Ways. The song is Over and Over. The artist is CARMICHAEL, Music Lover, and the choreography is JERMAINE Matthews. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251 0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video, and also check out the choreographer. Also, I will be on the second rotation doing a modification of the turns, and also I do teach the modification in the instructional. And let's go. There you go. So many incredible ways. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.